Hey guys, welcome back to this week's video. I have a very natural look today because I am reviewing the new Chanel Le Beige makeup collection. I purchased this collection online from chanel.com, and of course all online orders come packaged very nicely in the Chanel box. This collection included a unique foundation formula, an eyeshadow palette, a glow powder, and a lip balm. First off, we have the Water Fresh Tint Foundation, which is available in 6 shades. I purchased the medium shade. This foundation is a complexion tint featuring pigment micro droplets that deliver a water fresh sensation and a radiant, healthy looking glow. The lightweight gel texture bursts for a bare skin effect with 8 hours of hydration, making the skin feel refreshed and energized. I have only good things to say about this Healthy Glow Sheer Powder. For this collection, Chanel created a limited edition compact, and this powder enhances, brightens, or bronzes the appearance of the complexion for a healthy looking glow and can be used alone or over makeup. This eyeshadow palette is everything. It features 9 intense neutral shades with matte to shimmering finishes, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Here are some swatches of all of the shades in the palette. The colors are definitely pigmented and blend very well together. Chanel also created a new lip balm shade for this year's Le Beiges collection in the shade Intense. This is a lightweight glide-on lip balm that offers a sheer wash of lip color with a creamy non-stick formula. I thought I'd give you a mini tutorial of all of the products before I give you my final thoughts. Here I have a bare face, and I'm starting by applying the Water Fresh Tint Foundation using the small brush that came with the foundation itself. As you can see, the foundation is quite sheer but still gives a really nice glow. For those that like more coverage, this can definitely be used as a primer. I recently got a haircut and my hairdresser cut my bangs way too short for my liking, but I guess it'll grow. Over the tint foundation, I'm adding this beautiful Healthy Glow Sheer Powder, and this will definitely be my new norm over my foundation. It gives such a nice blur effect to the skin. And now to dig into this eyeshadow palette. First off, I'm using the lighter brown shade as a contour shade and blending it into my crease. Then I'm taking this darker shade and smoking it out on the outer corner of my eye. I'm tapping this gold brown shimmer shade into the inner corner, and I feel like it gave the look some brightness and a natural sparkle. On top of that, I decided to add some of this silver shimmer shade. Going back into the initial brown contour shade, I'm blending it under my waterline. This lip balm is seriously so easy to apply and feels so comfortable on the lips. Now, as you can see, this makeup collection really makes for a very nice natural type of look, especially this Le Beiges water tint. It is very natural, very sheer, and as you can see, it really didn't give me much of coverage, especially down here. I kind of have a little bit of a breakout, but I feel like it's very beautiful. It applied on very nicely onto the skin. It felt very moisturized, and it just kind of gave that a little bit of radiance to the skin, which is really perfect for summertime when you don't really want to overdo it with foundation, but you still want to have that luminosity and kind of sun-kissed look. I do particularly love the brush that came with the actual foundation itself. I feel like it really is necessary to apply this product with this brush. Applying it with your hand, you won't really get that same effect, especially since this has little micro pebbles in there that when you apply it on with this brush, they kind of burst, and that's what gives you that little bit of color and coverage. Now, the one downside to this is I did apply about 5 to 6 pumps for me to actually get a little bit of somewhat coverage, even though it was sheer. It does look beautiful, and it did give me that kind of sun-kissed luminosity, but I have to say that using this, you probably will be out of it very soon because there's not much product in here, and for what it is, you do need to use quite a few pumps to at least get some sort of effect out of it. I feel like this foundation is perfect for those that don't like to overdo it with makeup, don't like to add too much foundation, but still want to have that little bit of kind of bronzeness and tint to your face without overdoing it. Now this Healthy Glow Sheer Powder I absolutely love. I've been wanting this for a while. I think this came out about 5 to 6 years ago, and I just love the packaging of it. It's not the kind of traditional Chanel black casing. It does have that white kind of tint to it, and this logo is absolutely gorgeous. For the actual powder itself, I do like to use the brush with this. What this powder does is it does give you that glow to your face, and it also kind of builds up on your base that you currently have. I feel like these two together are a perfect combination. The foundation itself gives you that little bit of a sheer tint, and then the powder adds that healthy glow on top of that, and it just builds up and covers your pores. It's really, really beautiful. The star of this collection would have to be this eyeshadow palette. It is absolutely gorgeous. The case is beautiful, and the colors themselves, I absolutely love the color combination. You can use this every single day. You can create so many different looks with it. You can create more of a natural look and also more of a smoky look. The blendability of these eyeshadows are absolutely seamless. You barely have any fallout, and it just kind of builds up on that natural look that this Beiges collection is really going for. As for the lip balm, I was actually quite surprised that I liked it as much as I did. First off, when I looked at this color, I thought it was so dark, and it was a little bit intimidating, but when you apply it, it gives such a beautiful color, and applying it is so comfortable. I feel like I would definitely have this in my bag, and I would be applying it throughout the summer. It's just so beautiful, and it's so hydrating on the lips. Overall, I love Chanel products. I always have. I remember when I was a teenager, I would save up my allowances and make sure that I purchase every single collection that comes out by Chanel. I just have always loved the collections that they come out with, and just the products themselves are quite luxury, but they're beautiful and they're so worth it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this review. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, like that video, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. I do upload weekly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next week.